So at the store, brand A laundry detergent contains enough for 60 loads and costs $12.50. Brand B contains enough for 85 loads and costs $20.25. We want to find out which is the better brand or better buy, brand A or B. Let's assume that the quality is the same. Maybe I shouldn't say brand A and brand B, but just the same brand, but different quantities might be a better way to phrase it. So we're comparing apples to apples at that point. But let's assume that it's the same quality. There's two ways we can represent this. We could say, for example, for A, we could say 60 loads divided by $12.50. And I'm including the units because we want to be careful when we're doing this. So when we do 60 divided by 12.50, we're going to get 4.8 per dollar. That's not the unit per dollar there. And we typically don't think of it like this. We usually will put our money on top. So we would do 12.50 divided by 60 loads. And this gives us about 0.2083333 per load. So it costs just under, or really just under 21 cents, but it makes more sense just to say 21 cents per load. Both are completely valid ways to find a unit rate. And then for brand B, we can compare it and say, okay, 85 loads for $20.25. And this way, when we do it, we get about 4.197. So I'm just going to say 4.2 loads per dollar. And this means, just from this, if I'm comparing apples to apples with this metric, it's going to be 4.8 loads versus 4.2 loads per dollar, and I'd rather have brand A. And then likewise, then we're expecting the brand A to have a cheaper dollar per load. So let's find out and make sure. So this time we're going to say $20.25 for 85 loads. That gives us about $0.238 per load. Sorry that I'm running out of room there. And then round it to the nearest penny is going to give us 24 cents per load. So for about an extra 3 cents per load, we could use brand B, but brand A then is the cheaper deal, assuming that the quality is the same for the products.